Hey everybody, it's Erica the Stylist, and today I want to do what's in my bag. So this is my favorite bag that I'm carrying right now, and it's a lot of stuff in here. It's not heavy to me because this is what I normally carry in the bag. We were out and about doing some shopping today, and because we were out and about shopping, I always have to carry, I always have to carry a bunch of snacks for her. So this is what I have in my bag, and I'm gonna go through this quick because I don't want to bore y'all with a long video. So I keep fruit snacks in my bag for her, usually a juice. She's in the process of being potty trained, so I do have a diaper because I no longer carry a diaper bag. This bag acts as my purse and my diaper bag, and I explained in my unboxing video the reason why I got this strap is so that I could put the bag around me and kind of, you know, get the dust out of both worlds. So yeah, I keep her diaper in my bag. I always keep these wipes for me, the boys, her, and so this goes along with me not having to carry a diaper bag anymore because I just have a travel size thing of wipes. On the inside of the bag, I don't know if you can see this really, there's a pocket right here, and there's another pocket right here. So those two pockets I usually keep both of my cell phones. This is my work phone. Yes, this is my work phone. This is my personal phone. I always keep a water bottle with me. Always. She's saying Team Titan Go. You got Team Titan fruit snacks. I always keep a thing of tissue because somebody always got to blow their nose. She's very particular about her nose.
Yeah, blow nose.
Yeah, blow. Yep. My nose. You got to blow my nose too. I keep my appointment book with my pencil, my sunglasses. This case is pretty old, so it's all messed up. But these are my Prada shades. These are classics. They're not going out of style. I love them. Oh, yeah, go ahead. Bye.
Bye.
See ya. They're not going out of style. I love these. All this stuff in this bag. This is why I love this bag. It literally holds everything. I have my toiletry 19 that I love. And I have a bunch of junk in there. I keep a pad in here because I'm always writing down everything. I would forget my head if it wasn't attached to me. I keep, this is a mic that I can connect to my phone, and it's just an external mic. So if I decide to create a video and I'm away from home, I have something to make it lighter. This is very important. I keep my business cards in this. Eventually I'll level up to get me a Louis Vuitton one. But my daughter has a business, Itty Mitty Chic, so I have her cards, and then I have my business cards in there. Perfect for your business cards. I keep my favorite pen, which I love. I got this from an art show. And then on this side, it acts as a stylus. Yeah. Bye. It acts as a stylus, so I can literally, when I'm making Snapchat videos or Insta story videos, I can like write on my phone, and then I can use the pen side, and I just love it so much. Like, this pen is so stylish. Like, it was probably like $25. I keep my charger in the car and one at my station at work, so I just always keep a dock with me because you never know when you're gonna need a dock. I also have her favorite peanut butter M&Ms, so that is just a little treat if we're out and I need to keep her quiet. She's getting belligerent. I'm like, okay, you want some candy? My wallet. I want my Clemens wallet. So that's pretty much it. Everything that I had in this bag. I'll pick up the camera and show you. This is what it looks like when it's empty. So this bag literally holds a lot of stuff. It's like origami type, if you will. Like, it literally has these cinched in parts on the side, so like it packs a punch. You can put a lot of stuff in there. Let me show you what I have in my toiletry bag real quick. So I keep this spray for when it's that time of the month, or when you gotta go out and you might have to not smell so good. This is for emergency purposes only. Got this from Yankee Candle. So I keep 3 hand creams in my toiletry bag now, which I used to keep them in my purse before I have the toiletry bag. But this is a hand cream that, like, if somebody says, hey Erica, you got some lotion, I'll let them use this one. And then I usually keep this that I'll keep for my kids and put on my babies. I love this Noodle and Boo. I use this on them on a regular basis, but this is just a small one that I have that I keep in my purse. And then this is for me. I have extremely dry hands because I'm always in water, dark and discoloration, but all of this goes away once, you know, the springtime comes and it warms back up. I live in Michigan and it's really cold here, so my skin is just all messed up until March. But this is the big dog. This is the good stuff. These are my vitamins that I take daily. I got this little thing from the Container Store, and I'm shooting this on a Monday. I've already taken it, but just a 1-a-day vitamin, and I keep them in there. It just kind of keeps me on track, letting me know, like, hey, did you take your vitamin? I usually keep biotin in there too, but I don't have any right now. This is my hand sanitizer. I keep gum. I stole these from Famous Days when I got my order, so just some little alcohol wipes, and I usually wipe off my phone, or, you know, if somebody touch something that I have and I just need to wipe it off, I'll use these. You never know when you might have to go somewhere and freshen up, so I always keep this. This is my absolute favorite scent. It's very inexpensive. It smells so soft and so pretty. Like, I just, oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. My husband loves it too. Oh, it smells so good. If you never smell Amazing Grace, you are missing out, ladies. Oh my god, I love this. This is the Chanel Coco Rouge, and this is what color? This is number 218, the script, and I love it. It's just like a regular, you know, lip gloss. It doesn't have a bunch of colors. And then I have 2 medications that I take on a daily. Nothing major. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. This was a quick, fast video of what I put in my favorite bag, which is my Metis. Then I have it paired with the Rose Ballerine Bandolier Strap. Absolutely love this bag. This is how it looks when I have it on my shoulder. And it's empty. And then this is what it looks like when I have it crossed across my body. I just love it, love it, love it. And then I'm paired it with my 100% Fancy shirt that I got from Zara for the low. I love this. Showing a little skin. Yeah, I'm doing the most. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. I am loving the feedback that I'm getting from you guys, and I absolutely love YouTube. I love watching it. I love making videos. I hope you enjoy and will, you know, keep watching my videos because I enjoy making them. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, ladies. Here are all the items that I had inside of my Metis bag. Like, I fit all of this stuff in that bag, and it's really not that heavy. Not at all. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and comment.
Hey guys, never press. Cycle.
Fruit snacks. You got gift cards. Look here. Say you got gift cards for your birthday.
Your birthday.
Yep. You got Toys R Us, and she has Nordstrom gift cards.
Money.
She has money. Who is that? Doc McStuffins. You got my sunglasses. I don't know why she has my sunglasses. She can't even fit these. And then she has, what's that? Hand sanitizer. And that's what's it. That's all she has in her bag. Say thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.